What if the reason you keep feeling hungry has less to do with willpower and more to do with what is on your plate? Some foods are digested so quickly that hunger returns almost immediately, while others slow digestion, stabilize energy, and help you feel satisfied for hours. Choosing the right foods can make healthy fat loss feel far less exhausting. The goal is not to eat as little as possible. That often leads to low energy, intense cravings, and overeating later in the day. A smarter approach is to build meals around foods that provide protein, fiber, healthy fats, water, or volume. These qualities send stronger fullness signals and make it easier to maintain a balanced calorie intake. When hunger is managed well, consistency becomes much easier. In this video, you will discover 9 everyday foods that can help control hunger, reduce unnecessary snacking, and support healthy fat loss without making every meal feel restrictive. Some are ideal for breakfast, while others work best in lunches, dinners, or snacks. You will also learn simple pairings that can make each choice even more satisfying. Stay until the end, because the final food is one of the most satisfying low-calorie snacks you can keep at home. Used correctly, it can replace chips, crackers, and other easy-to-overeat foods, while still giving you the crunchy experience many people crave between meals. It proves that satisfying food does not always have to be heavy or high in calories. Eggs provide a powerful combination of high-quality protein and satisfying fat, making them one of the most reliable breakfast foods for controlling hunger. Starting the morning with eggs may help you feel more satisfied than a meal built mainly from refined cereal, pastries, or sweetened bread. That difference can shape the way you eat for the rest of the day. Protein takes more time and energy to digest than many refined carbohydrates, and it also supports the muscles that help maintain a healthy metabolism. Eggs are especially useful because they are affordable, easy to prepare, and flexible enough for busy mornings. They also provide important nutrients such as choline, vitamin B12, selenium, and several essential amino acids. For even better fullness, pair eggs with vegetables, avocado, beans, or a small serving of whole grain toast instead of processed meats or oversized portions of buttery bread. This combination adds fiber and volume, helping the meal occupy more space in your stomach while providing steadier energy. It is a simple way to turn breakfast into a meal with real staying power. Creamy protein with lasting satisfaction. Greek yogurt is thick, creamy, and rich in protein, which makes it more satisfying than many sweetened yogurts containing more added sugar and less protein. A plain, unsweetened variety can work as a quick breakfast or snack when you need something convenient that helps calm hunger without requiring cooking. It also provides calcium and pairs easily with familiar ingredients. Its protein supports fullness and muscle maintenance, while the creamy texture makes it feel more substantial than many drinks or light snacks. Greek yogurt can be especially helpful during the afternoon, when people often reach for cookies, chocolate, or pastries. Choosing a protein-rich alternative may make it easier to reach dinner without grazing through the kitchen. To build a more complete snack, add blueberries, sliced apple, oats, cinnamon, or a small amount of nuts. These ingredients provide fiber, texture, and natural sweetness without turning the bowl into a dessert. Avoid heavily sweetened varieties, because added sugar can increase calories quickly while doing very little to improve lasting satisfaction. Keep the serving simple so protein remains the main advantage. Slow energy and fiber-rich fullness. Oats absorb liquid and expand, creating a warm, high-fiber meal that can keep your stomach feeling comfortably full. Their soluble fiber develops a gel-like texture during digestion, which may slow the movement of food through the digestive system. This helps explain why a bowl of oats can feel more satisfying than a small sugary breakfast without requiring an enormous portion. Oats also provide steady carbohydrates that can support morning energy without the sharp rise and fall often associated with sweetened cereals or pastries. The key is choosing plain rolled oats or steel-cut oats instead of instant packets loaded with sugar. This gives you control over the flavor, sweetness, and calories. A warm bowl can also feel comforting, making the routine easier to maintain. For stronger fullness, prepare oats with milk or Greek yogurt and add berries, chia seeds, nuts, or a spoonful of peanut butter. Combining fiber with protein and healthy fat creates a more balanced meal. Watch the toppings, however, because large amounts of honey, dried fruit, chocolate, or nut butter can quietly transform a nutritious breakfast into a very high-calorie meal. High-volume comfort with surprising fullness. Potatoes are often blamed for weight gain, but plain boiled or baked potatoes can be remarkably satisfying because they contain water, fiber, and filling carbohydrates. carbohydrates. The real problem usually comes from deep frying them, covering them with cheese, or serving them alongside calorie-dense sauces. Prepared simply, potatoes can fit comfortably into a balanced meal designed to support healthy fat loss. A medium potato can add substance to a meal while providing potassium, vitamin C, and satisfying carbohydrates. When potatoes are cooked and then cooled, some of their starch becomes resistant starch, which digests differently from regular starch and may support appetite control. This makes cooled potato salads or reheated potatoes useful options when they are prepared with sensible ingredients. Keep the skin when possible, and pair potatoes with lean protein and vegetables. For example, combine a baked potato with grilled chicken, tuna, beans, Greek yogurt, and a large salad. This creates a filling plate without relying on deep frying. Portion size and preparation matter far more than the common belief that potatoes themselves automatically cause weight gain. Plant protein and powerful fiber. Lentils combine plant protein and fiber in the same food, making them one of the strongest choices for long-lasting fullness. They absorb water, add volume to meals, and digest more slowly than refined carbohydrates. A bowl of lentil soup can therefore feel much more satisfying than a similar-sized serving of white bread, crackers, or noodles. This makes lentils especially helpful for lunches and dinners. Their fiber also supports digestive health and helps meals release energy more gradually. Lentils are inexpensive, store well, and can be added to soups, salads, stews, curries, or rice dishes. Because they have a mild flavor, they easily absorb herbs and spices, allowing you to create deeply satisfying meals without relying on heavy cream, excessive cheese, or large amounts of oil. To make lentils even more effective for healthy fat loss, combine them with vegetables and a moderate portion of whole grains or lean protein. Begin with smaller servings when you are not accustomed to high-fiber foods, and increase gradually while drinking enough water. This can help your digestive system adjust while still giving you the appetite control benefits lentils provide. Crunchy sweetness with natural volume. Apples offer a valuable combination of fiber, water, natural sweetness, and chewing time. Eating a whole apple takes much longer than drinking apple juice, and the intact fruit occupies more space in your stomach. These qualities can make an apple a more satisfying choice when you want something sweet but do not want hunger to return 20 minutes later. It is also easy to carry almost anywhere. Much of an apple's fiber is found in or near the skin, so keep the skin on after washing the fruit properly. Apples require almost no preparation and can replace pastries or candy when convenience would normally win. Their natural sweetness can help satisfy dessert cravings, while their crunch and volume make the snack feel more substantial than a few bites of highly processed food. For longer-lasting fullness, pair an apple with Greek yogurt, a boiled egg, or a small portion of nuts or peanut butter. The apple provides fiber, water, and volume, while the protein or healthy fat slows digestion. This pairing can be especially useful before a long meeting, during an afternoon energy dip, or before grocery shopping, when hunger can easily influence what you purchase. Healthy fats that slow returning hunger. Avocado is rich in healthy fats and fiber, two qualities that help slow digestion and make meals feel more satisfying. Although avocado is calorie-dense, a moderate portion can reduce the feeling that a meal is incomplete. Its smooth texture also works well as a replacement for butter, mayonnaise, or heavy sauces. Used carefully, it can make healthy meals feel richer and more enjoyable. Healthy fats take longer to digest than refined carbohydrates, which can help delay the return of hunger. Avocado also provides potassium, folate, fiber, and several protective plant compounds. The important point is portion control. Half an avocado may improve satisfaction, but eating several without considering the calories can make fat loss more difficult despite the food's excellent nutritional value. Add avocado to eggs, salads, whole grain toast, beans, or grilled chicken to make the meal more balanced. It works best as part of a complete plate rather than as an unlimited extra. A small portion can provide richness and satisfaction, helping basic meals taste better and potentially reducing your desire for calorie-heavy dressings, creamy sauces, or unnecessary snacks later in the day. Satisfying protein and beneficial fats. Salmon is rich in protein and omega-3 fats, creating a satisfying combination that can support fullness, muscle maintenance, and heart health. A meal built around salmon often feels more substantial than one based mainly on refined carbohydrates. Its distinctive flavor also means you can create a satisfying lunch or dinner without needing heavy sauces, breading, or deep-fried preparation. Protein helps preserve lean tissue during healthy fat loss, and maintaining muscle is important because muscle supports strength, movement, and daily energy use. The fats in salmon slow digestion and add richness to the meal. Together, these qualities can help you finish dinner feeling satisfied rather than continuing to snack because the main meal was too small or nutritionally incomplete. Bake, grill, or air fry salmon with herbs, lemon, and spices. Then serve it with vegetables and a moderate portion of potatoes, brown rice, or lentils. This creates a balanced plate containing protein, fiber, and satisfying carbohydrates. Canned salmon can also be an affordable option for salads, sandwiches, wraps, or patties when fresh salmon is less convenient. High-volume crunch for fewer calories. Air-popped popcorn provides a large amount of food volume for relatively few calories when it is prepared without heavy butter, caramel, or excessive oil. Because it takes time to eat and offers plenty of crunch, it can satisfy the desire to snack more effectively than a small handful of calorie-dense chips or crackers. The difference comes from preparation, seasoning, and portion awareness. Popcorn is a whole grain and provides fiber, which can make it more satisfying than many heavily processed snack foods. Its greatest advantage is psychological as well as physical. A generous bowl looks and feels abundant. This can be useful during movie nights or evening relaxation, when people often want something they can eat slowly instead of finishing in only a few bites. Season popcorn with herbs, paprika, garlic powder, cinnamon, or a light sprinkle of salt. Measure any oil instead of pouring it freely, and avoid turning the bowl into a dessert with sugary coatings. When prepared simply, popcorn can become a satisfying snack that supports portion control while still giving you the crunchy, comforting experience you are looking for. A satisfying fat loss diet is not built around one miracle ingredient. It is created by combining protein, fiber, healthy fats, water, and food volume throughout the day. Eggs, Greek yogurt, oats, potatoes, lentils, apples, avocado, salmon, and popcorn all work differently, but each can make hunger easier to manage when eaten in balanced portions. Their real power comes from consistency. You do not need to add all 9 foods at once. Choose one breakfast, one main meal, and one snack to improve this week. You might prepare eggs in the morning, lentils or salmon for dinner, and an apple or air-popped popcorn between meals. Small changes are easier to repeat, and repeated choices are what create lasting progress instead of another temporary diet. Now tell me in the comments, which of these 9 foods keeps you full for the longest, and which one will you add first? Your answer may help another viewer discover a simple strategy that makes healthy eating easier. And if this video gave you practical ideas for controlling hunger, subscribe to Healthy Grams and turn on notifications for more powerful everyday foods. Remember, healthy fat loss should not feel like a daily battle against hunger. Build meals that satisfy you, eat slowly, stay active, sleep well, manage stress, and give your body time to respond. The best plan is not the most extreme one. It is the approach that helps you feel nourished, energized, and consistent enough to continue week after week.